Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I create bullet journal spreads on my iPad using Procreate. But before I begin, I would be really grateful if you could hit the subscribe button down below. All the spreads I create will be available for you guys to download for free from the link in the description box below, and I have customized the size to fit your Loxbeats journals, so you can simply just print them out and stick them in your journal, or you can use them digitally by inserting the pictures into your GoodNotes app. For the theme of the spreads, I have tried to keep it very minimalistic and colourful, and for the title page I have created a very simple design using multiple shapes and my classic moon and star. For the next two pages I have drawn out a 2020 calendar. I know there isn't much that can be done on this page, but I really like the aesthetic of it, and I'll probably use it to circle in some important dates and birthdays. Then I have created the standard yearly goals page. I didn't separate this page up into different sections because I wanted to only write a handful of goals that I want to achieve in the next coming month or two, and then I will fill it up later as the year goes by. I have then added in a quotes page. I wrote the same quote that I used for my 2020 bullet journal setup in my previous video. I really like this quote as it motivates me to change for the better. I haven't included a January title page, but instead went straight into making the overview for it. And as you can see, I am using the table to write down important events and tasks that I need to carry out on these specific dates. Although I'm not very keen on habit trackers, I've decided to include one in this printable because I know you guys might be interested in it. I used to use these trackers before, but then I realised that I forgot to fill them in over the months. But maybe that could be my New Year's resolution, to stick to filling my tracker. This year I have incorporated the meals plan spread. This is because as a student I find it difficult to cook every day and find myself constantly thinking about what I should eat. So I'm hoping this spread might help me plan and track what I want to eat every week, and even might help me make healthier food choices. Lastly, I have included in the usual weekly planner where I can write my everyday to-do lists and other events and tasks that I need to carry out. I have purposely left the circles blank so you can fill in the dates accordingly if you decide to use these spreads. for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and also make sure to check out the description box below to get these free printables. And if you do end up using these, then don't forget to comment below and let me know, or tag me on Instagram and I'll have a look at them.